Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another Bike Parts video. I wanted to do a quick video today on the S&S Mini Air Cleaner. And so the reason I wanted to do this video is because I've been using S&S air cleaners for a long time, and now that they've got the new Mini out, I wanted to let you see how small it actually was compared to what I've been using forever, what we're all fairly used to seeing. So the kit starts with getting their Stealth air cleaner. That's going to come with the element in a front cover, but it's not going to come with anything decorative unless you buy it that way. This kit's like 150 bucks. You get the back plate and all that stuff. So I got that kit, and then I purchased a chrome mini teardrop. And so they've perforated this outside edge here so you get plenty of air, and this thing sucks right up next to the air filter element. So there's not a lot of space between the element and this cover like there is on a traditional. So here is the traditional one. So I popped this off of my shovel head. I've got a lowbrow cover on my shovel head. Anyways, here is the comparison. So it's not a ton smaller, but it's obviously, it is littler. So this is what I wanted to run. It's going to show off a little bit more of the engine, and I went back and forth between black and chrome. I've got a lot of black on the bike, so I thought this would look a little bit better. But point of this video was to let you see how much smaller the new Mini is versus the traditional. So, it'd be something like that versus something like that. It is obviously smaller. So I'm going to throw the air filter on real quick. I do a quick time lapse and let you see how it looks. Great, thanks.